Hi.
Hi.
As you can see, there's no wine. There's just a big jug of water. We have been drinking a lot of water and trying to be healthy. So that means we have to make healthy meals. John found this recipe. Why don't you tell them what it is?
Chickpea and couscous meatballs. I don't necessarily know if it's healthy, but it's not healthy.
And it's also vegan, right? Or is it vegetarian? No, there's no cheese, right? It's vegan.
I don't know how they make the couscous. Is there egg in couscous? Isn't that like pasta? I don't know. Vegan, vegetarian, I don't know what it is. There's no meat in it.
Yeah, we're off to a good start.
So, what we have to do first is combine all the ingredients for the balls in our janky food processor. I have been itching to replace for over a year, and I don't think it's going to be strong enough to do all this.
Okay, before you pick on me some more, why don't we go over the ingredients for everybody so they could see what they will need?
Okay. So we have cooked couscous, chickpeas, 1/2 of a red onion, not a gigantic onion, a regular sized onion, 1 garlic clove, really 2 garlic cloves, but this is a big one, so we're just gonna use 1. Soy sauce, and then we have some paprika, parsley, salt, and pepper. That's for the meatballs. And for the sauce, we have hot sauce, some water, more soy sauce, brown sugar, and cornstarch. First, we're gonna put in the couscous. Now, I know this looks like a lot of couscous. I don't know if I can put all this in or not.
It does seem like a lot. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm only gonna put like 3/4 of this in. And Jayne will give you the recipe totals.
Yeah, in the description box below will be the recipe as usual.
And then we've got our rinsed and, all right, there's no way that this is gonna cut through all of this.
No, I don't think so either.
I'm telling you right now.
I think we should have did the chickpeas first.
You're in for a treat because this is gonna be a mess. I'm just letting you know. We're gonna put in our soy sauce. We're gonna put in our
You think you could do it from the other way? Because the camera's right here.
herbs and spices. We're gonna throw in our garlic clove.
A whole clove?
Yep, it really calls for 2, but
Okay.
I'm gonna cut this onion up a little bit so that it's a little bit easier to manage.
Oh, you should have did one ingredient at a time. I know this is not gonna work. This is gonna be a disaster. It's a good thing we're filming it because it'll be like one of those things of what not to do.
What I'm gonna do is, because obviously it's not mixing everything, you gotta kind of get some stuff down to the bottom.
I would have did that.
All right, well, you know, Janie Poo, I don't know what
Your
to tell you.
elbow's going right in my face. If someone would like to sponsor us and get us a new one.
We have a problem, seriously, because if this doesn't blend, we can't make this. And then in this whole thing, you could just...
There you go. See now. It's a food processor, not a chopper. There's a difference. Okay, so it seems to be working now.
So we had a little bit of a crisis.
Yeah, but we diverted it because, you know,
Food processor.
teamwork makes the dream work.
And you can bet dollars to donuts I'll be getting a food processor tomorrow. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna form this mix into balls, and we're gonna bake them in the oven. They're nice and sticky, which I don't know if they're supposed to be sticky or not.
No, I think they are.
There we go.
I mean, it's chickpeas.
It's chickpeas and
Couscous.
couscous. All right, so we're gonna ball them up.
Ball them up.
See if I can get my fingers chopped off.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with that.
You see the videos on X where people get their fingers chopped off or some kind of...
Those are some big balls.
That's what she said. Just want to get the blade out, just in case.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
decides to turn itself on,
Yeah. I always unplug it first.
and then I wind up with fingertips in them. And they're
I'm
not,
trying
and they're not
this.
vegetarian.
I could try this raw because there's no egg in it. Right?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
That's actually really good.
Hey, all right. Ringing endorsement. That's actually good.
I can't wait to try it. No, it is. I'm super hungry too.
And I'm so am I actually.
And then what do we do with these balls after?
We are going to put them in an oven
Right.
for, I know the elbow.
Wow.
30 minutes
Okay.
at $3.95.
$3.90, so 400.
No, $3.95.
How did you could get to $3.95 in that? You know that really means 400.
Oh, the recipe said $3.95.
I can't wait to have these.
She loves having balls.
I do. So then we bake them, and then what happens?
Well, we're gonna make a sauce while these are baking.
Oh,
We're
okay.
gonna make like a hot sauce.
Okay.
All right, that's it.
All right.
In the oven, I'm gonna wash up, and then we'll make the sauce.
All right. All right. So what's that, John?
That's the hot sauce.
Okay.
A little bit of water. Soy sauce. The brown sugar.
Ooh, nice and sweet.
And a tablespoon of cornstarch.
Okay. How long does that cook for? 5 minutes?
This is gonna simmer for about 5 minutes. You're gonna
Okay.
let it kind of work itself together. And then we're gonna put the balls in here. I don't want to call them meatballs because they're really not meatballs.
So as you can see, the sauce gets pretty thick.
It's like a sticky sauce on it.
Yeah. Like if I was gonna have these and I couldn't make a sauce, I would probably just do like a tahini, like what you dip falafel balls in. Probably be just as good. They look pretty good.
I don't know.
What do you mean?
It looks all crusty.
Well, aren't they supposed to be crusty on one side?
I guess
you
so.
baked them. Better crusty than not baked. Like, you know, baked, you want it to have like a coating, right?
I guess.
That sauce smells good. Yummy, I can't wait to try these. So you're just gonna toss it around in the sauce?
Oop, and I'm gonna break them.
I guess you're just supposed to flip them around.
I guess. I don't really know.
I would be very gentle. All right. Maybe they're just supposed to be lightly coated. All right.
You ready?
Let's show them what it looks like.
Could have used a little more sauce. Maybe.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
I'm gonna let you try first. The inside looks a lot like falafel. Let me see if I can show you. That's not a good reaction.
Well,
It feels like it's a consistency of a matzo ball, right?
that sauce is spicy. Oh my.
That's why I think it's not. I think it's only supposed to have a touch of it.
No, it's the main ingredient. It's called fire sauce.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Listen, would I make this again? The answer is probably no.
it's not bad. See, I would have fried these. I think frying them would have been better, in my opinion.
I mean, it's good.
They taste good. I mean, the taste is good, but consistency is a little.
Cool off.
Yeah,
Maybe if we had a better food processor.
I think we should fry it next time. Put a little less hot sauce, maybe.
Oh.
But they're not. They taste good. All right.
Oh,
Well,
no.
if you want to try it, the recipe will be in the description box below. And if you have made this or you have a suggestion on how we can make it better or what we did wrong, I don't think the taste is bad.
They're not terrible.
No, I don't think the way we baked them was right.
No, I think we did everything right. I just think that
Hey,
they're
well-
just not terrible.
Well, we're eating it for dinner.
Go ahead, we're eating them.
We're stuck with them.
All right, anyway. See you next time. Hey-oo.
God, I'm listening. The sauce for the balls. Wait, stop. I want a little more. Why don't we do the chickpeas first? Because they have to be grounded up first.
No, everything's got to be combined together.
Oh, all right. This should really be filmed.
We are filming it.
No, the close-ups. Either you gotta do it or I gotta do it.
All right, I'll put the ingredients in.
Okay, hold on.
This is an operation here.
You know what you gotta do now?
What?
What do you always do? No, the other thing. The other thing.
I don't know what the other thing is.
Here. The sound check.
Oh.
Oh, gee.
Test, testing 1, 2, sound check.
We don't drink anymore. I need to drink.
Jank City.
How's it looking?
Looks good to me. Just like take 1, 2, and 3.
I have to fix myself more because I'm old. I'm gonna be 56 in a week or so. I'm not as young as you.
What are you doing exactly?
I'm lifting the light.
Lifting lights?
Are you recording this?
Why would I record this nonsense?
Because that's the way you are.
I know, Sammy, I know.
Okay.
Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh, we are lit.
You recording this? I see the red light.
We are lit.
You a liar? All right. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna shut it off.